And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. A bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Me up, drumming round and on and forth, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Hi guys, this is Dhabaswin. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, do hit the like button, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about my Sirumalai ride, I made a separate vlog series for that. Do watch that. And this is not the surprise I told you guys in my previous video. I just thought of making shorter versions of my vlog series, so this is it. And I'll be making one for the Urimbikara ride and the southern road trip. So that's all for this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and bye.